Okay, today's assignment is for April 1st, 2020. It's only for the A-Day classes, so this does not apply for B-Day students. We have two classes left in the third marking period, so we have a couple things to do. First of all, when you get onto the website, please go to your channel and check in. Just say you're here or whatever, so I can know that you're there. A lot of people haven't been doing that recently, and we also have some people who aren't showing up for class, and their grades are going to be adversely affected. So just like you to go on and say, I'm here, I'm present, or whatever, and do the work. As I said, Friday's the last day of the marking period, the third marking period. All work is due on Friday. I'm not accepting any late work after Friday. The assignments we've been doing for online learning aren't that difficult. I mean, you can get that stuff done in the class period. The writing may take a little longer, but you're not doing a writing assignment the last 2 days, so it's not a real big issue. So please get everything done by Friday. If it's not done by Friday, it's going to be a 0. Just check on Genesis to see how things are going. Check today and check tomorrow. And then Friday's assignment won't be for the third marking period. Friday's assignment will be for the fourth marking period. Okay, so you'll have, that'll be the start of the fourth marking period, since A and B days are going to start the fourth marking period on the same assignment. So today's assignment is reading a chapter from the things they carried. The chapter is called In the Field. Okay, and it's a story about how Tim O'Brien's best friend in the war, Kiowa, dies. And it's a sad thing for, anybody's friend to die, especially in the war and stuff like this, because these are people that could trust. And Kiowa's the guy who comforted Tim O'Brien after he killed that soldier who was walking on the trail and stuff. So Kiowa ends up dying because of basically genuine stupidity. One of the things I don't know if you realized yet is that Jimmy Cross isn't really much of a leader. He's not really been trained. He didn't really want to be an officer, but because he had a college education and stuff, he became an officer, and he's a lieutenant, and he's leading men into battle. And, he does make a lot of stupid mistakes. And he ends up costing people their lives because he's just not really a good leader. And that's going to happen when you read this chapter about In the Field and what happens to this guy, Kiowa. Jimmy Cross put his men in a bad situation, and as a result, Kiowa dies. So what I want you to do is answer the questions. You'll see the answer to the questions are that when you get the questions, it'll have the question and it'll tell you the page number. So that'll make it a little easier for you, but you have to answer the questions in complete sentences. Okay, each question is worth 5 points, so the assignment is worth the quiz grade. And when you submit the paper at the end of the assignment, it's just going to say 0 out of 50 because I have to review all the answers. I will review all the answers this afternoon or this evening, and the grades should all be posted by tomorrow morning. That would be April 2nd. So you're going to read a chapter in the field. It's like 15 to 20 pages, and then you're going to answer 10 questions in complete sentences. And that's your assignment for today. So that'll be like your last regular assignment, third marking period. If you have any makeup work to do, whether it's the essays or some of the short stories or whatever, get those things done. If you have problems doing your essays on Microsoft Teams, then you can do Google and share it with me, but do not upload the Google document into Microsoft Teams because it just makes it more difficult, and I have to ask you for permission for access and stuff, so just be easier that way. As I said, most people, there's 97 kids in the 5 classes, and I have about 5 or 6 who are failing for the marking period. And unfortunately, because of what's been going on, a couple people are failing for the year. So you really need to get your act together the last couple of days and get this third marking grades up good. So, as you know, things. Hopefully we get back in May, get back to school. I miss seeing everybody, and I don't want you guys to have, your senior year end this way. I want you guys to have a senior prom and have a graduation ceremony, so all your parents can congratulate you for all the good that you've done during 4 years. So I'm really hoping that we can get this thing all together, and then we'll be back in class and stuff. But as I said, if there's anything you need help with, just let me know. You can contact me through Microsoft Teams, or you can also email me at shariscavage@monmouthregional.net. So please get your work done, get all your makeup work done, so you can have a solid third marking period grade and kind of make everything, look set up really well for the fourth marking period. So we're going to still be doing the things they carried for a couple more weeks. We won't have a writing assignment for a couple more weeks. But thank you for all those of you who already gotten your writing assignments done. And thank you for keeping up to date with everything. I know it's a really difficult situation, and I hope it gets better really soon. So everybody have a great day.